Hello, my dear students. Today I will start the exercise 11.2. Then, before starting the exercise 11.2, some concept I will discuss and also discuss the intersecting line, transversal, and parallel line. It means two lines are intersecting. If two lines are intersect, then many of the angles are forming. Then this type of angle is discussed in this session. Then first is discuss the pairs of lines. Pairs of lines is it means lines are a parallel lines or intersecting line or concurrent line. Lines pair of lines are a three condition. First are lines are parallel to each other. First condition line are parallel to each other. Second line is intersecting to each other. And third is line is concurrent. It means both line are same place. It means it is a concurrent line, it is intersecting line, and it is a parallel line. Now first discuss the pairs of lines. First discuss the intersecting line. But how to define the intersecting line? Intersecting line, two lines L and M, like this. This line is L, this line is M. L and M intersect if they have a point in a common. Point in a common, P point is a common on a both line. Then L and M. Then this common point is called the point of intersection. This common point is called the point of intersection. It means point P is the common point on both lines. Then point P is the common point. It is called the point of intersection. P point is the point of intersection. Any line segment. Two lines are intersect this any point. Two lines are intersect any point. This point is a common point. This point is a common point, and common point P is called the intersecting point. Okay. Now next is a transversal. In the case of a transversal, two parallel lines. A line which intersect two or more given lines in a plane at a different point is called the transversal to the given lines. Two lines are given L and M, and another line intersect both lines. Another line intersect on the both line. That means T. Line T intersect on the both line. Then line T is called the transversal. Line T is called the transversal. Any line, not a condition is a parallel lines or any lines. Two lines are intersect. This point is called the transversal. This point is the intersection point, and line T is called the transversal. Definition of a transversal: a line which intersect two or more given lines. Two are not a condition, only two lines. Two or more lines. Three lines, four lines, five lines. Many of the lines intersecting one line. Two or more given lines in a plane at a different points is called a transversal. Then T line is a transversal to the given line. In line के लिए both lines, for both lines L and M, T is the transversal. Then understand the transversal. Okay. Now discuss the parallel lines. Parallel lines, if lines are a distance between both lines is a equal distance. If the two lines, on condition of a parallel line, if two lines are given, then distance between two lines is constant at any point. Distance between two lines is always constant, then it is called a parallel line. This type of a line called the parallel line. Parallel line. This type of a line is called the parallel line. Now next is interior angle. In the figure, some figure are given. The figure is this. Discuss this figure: interior angle, exterior angle, alternate interior angle, and alternate exterior angle. Then first discuss the interior angle. What is interior angle? Then P and Q, 2 points, two lines L and M, and T is the transversal, intersect the both line L and M. It means T is the transversal. Now many of the angles are forming the transversal. Then transversal forming the many of the angles. Then 2 points. If the any angles, if the angles included the PQ arms, if the angles included PQ arms with another line segment or another arms, it is called the interior angle. It means PQ is this and another line is this, like a PR. It means arm PR and PQ include this angle, then it is called the interior angle. It means interior angle include the line PQ. Interior angle include the line PQ. If the angles not include the PQ arms, it is called the exterior angle. If the angles are not include the line or arms PQ, then it is called the exterior angle. Between angle 3, angle 4, angle 6, angle 5, it is the interior angle. But angle 2, angle 1, angle 7 and angle 8, it is a exterior angle because it is not include the PQ arm. Only it is a transversal. Then forming angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8, it is the exterior angle, and angle 3, angle 4, angle 6 and angle 5, it is a exterior angle. Now second is alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle, it means angles, alternate interior angles. Angles is this and this. Alternate interior angles means if two lines are intersect, then transversal, cut the transversal, then many of the angles are forming. Then if the angles is from the PQ line segment, it is a common on both angles. Then forming a one line's angles is this angle 6 and angle 4. Angle 6 and angle 4, it is alternate interior angles. And angle 3 and angle 5 is also alternate interior angles. Between two parallel lines are intersect, then forming an angle. Then common arms. Condition of the alternate interior angles, one arms is a common in both angles and other arms is a opposite to each other. It means opposite to each other sense, then R is a opposite and N, P are a Q, R S, S is the other opposite, then forming angle 4 and angle 6, it is alternate interior angle, and angle 3 and angle 5 is also alternate interior angle. Next is alternate exterior angle. Alternate exterior angle sense angles forming, it means angles 2 and angles 2 and angles 2 and angles 8 and angles 1 and angles 7, both are alternate exterior angle. Angle 1 is equals to angle 7 and angles 2 is equals to angle 8. It is alternate exterior angle. Now last concept of this last concept is corresponding angle. Corresponding angle, in the condition of a corresponding angle, two parallel lines are intersect, then forming a many of the angles. Then angles 2 is equals to angle 6. Angles 2 is equals to angle 6. It is a corresponding angle. Condition of a corresponding angles, arms is a common. One arms is a common and angles are a same side. One arms is a common, it means PQ is a common arms. This line, T line is a common on both angle forming 2 and 6 and another line. Then angle forming a same side, not opposite side, angle forming a same side, it means this line and this line forming angle 2 and this line T and forming line M, both are intersect, then forming angle 6. It means angle 2 is equals to angle 6 and angle 1 is equals to angle 5. It is corresponding angle. And angle 3 is equals to angle 7. Angle 3 is equals to angle 7 and angle 4 is equals to angle 8. It is a corresponding angle. Then first you discuss the pair of lines, intersecting line, parallel line, transversal, and second discuss the many of the angles forming of if two lines are intersected. The third line, if transversal or intersect the two lines, then many of the angles are forming interior angle, exterior angle, alternate interior angle and alternate exterior angle, and last is a corresponding angle. Now complete this session. Next video I will discuss the exercise 11.2. Okay. Thank you, students.